Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.